a powerful exercise for you to do today. So tomorrow is the equinox, I believe, and you do this like today so that you can already release all these lower vibrational feelings that you're having so you can enjoy your equinox with like manifestation or whatever it is you like to do. So if you are an energetic healer, you can imagine a dome of Reiki light coming from your left shoulder over the top of your head over to the right shoulder. If you're not an energetic healer, it's okay. You can also just visualize white light coming from the left shoulder to the right. Then, if you're an energetic healer or not, you can ask Archangel Michael to put a blue dome over that golden energy from your left shoulder to your right. Then go outside and allow all those lower vibrational feelings that you feel, that you're scared to feel, allow them to come up to the surface and be dissolved into that light. So anger, hatred, resentment, all those types of feelings, allow them to come up from your body all the way up into that light to dissolve so that you can be more cleansed and clear and allow more love and light in.